beating around the bush. We've all been waiting to see the paint on this thing. And so here we go. Let me bring it over. Welcome back to the workbench. We try to make things. And we're continuing to try to make today is Revell's Ford FD-100 pickup, the Foose design kit they made a while back, and we're doing quite a bit different. And if you'd like to get completely caught up on where we're at with this kit, there's a link down in the description to a playlist. Get completely caught up. This is gonna be a quick one today. I've got to get out of here. I've got kite day with my daughter, something at school. We got to fly a kite. I don't know, but I got to go do that. So we're going to get this one done real quick. I know you're here to see paint, which you will. You're going to get to see some paint finally. And what have I done? We'll find out. Stick around. But first, I took some pictures the other day of the process of finishing in the taillight, and I forgot to show them to you. And I took the pictures, so I'm going to force you to sit through them. You're going to have to sit here and we'll look at a little slideshow real quick of basically me just globbing on a bunch of body filler for a second time around the Bronco taillight housing that we grafted in, and then me sanding it down, what it looks like after you sand globbed on body filler, and then using primer as basically a guide coat to then sand again to show me where the high and low points were so I could go back with some spot putty and finish it off. Yeah, you just had to sit through that. I apologize. I took the pictures. I didn't want to waste them. Anyways, that's basically was the final process of getting the rear taillight Frenched in, or the passenger side taillight Frenched in and finished. Yeah, so yeah, after that, it was just a matter of tons of half a can of filler primer and then a lot of more smoothing and filling. But that's enough. Let's stop beating around the bush. We've all been waiting to see the paint on this thing. And so here we go. Let me bring it over. So I think it looks okay. It looks okay. We're gonna kind of go over it. I'll show you what there is some changes we're gonna have to make, I guess we'll say. But so far, I don't want this to fall, by the way. This is still off-gassing. I think it'll be okay. All right. Yeah, I mean, I can still very much smell the off-gassing. I don't want to touch it, but hopefully you guys can see. I'm trying to get it in the light. That we're looking good. Obviously, no polishing, no anything to this clear yet. And in fact, I think it's going to get a sand and another coat of polish, but we'll talk about that in it's going to get a sand and another coat of clear, but we'll talk about that in just a second. Yeah, so it actually, I think, looks pretty good here. We can look at the other side too. This is the, can you kind of see here I'm so trying not to touch this. This is the, the tail light housing that we were just looking at being Frenched in, and I think that all looks good. If you remember right, this is basically, for the most part, completely custom fenders. This is 2 sets of fenders that have been grafted together, and they came out well. It looks good. There is still a little polishing I'm going to need to do in this area. I really worked that hard prior to painting. But I think it's going to be okay once we get, I'm going to have to probably, I think, get in, I don't know if you guys can kind of see, it's probably not going to show up. It's very, very, very minor. I'm probably going to have to get a little more clear in there to give that a polish. This side is basically the same, kind of, oh, right here for sure. I didn't even see that. Okay, there's a spot in here that's for sure going to need some work. But where it's really going to need work, in my opinion, is the tailgate. You can see it's not as glossy because I haven't given as much clear, because once I started painting, I noticed kind of lost this body line right here. And again, I don't know how well you guys can see it or not. So I'm going to have to actually work in that body line some more. I thought I did, but not as well as I wanted to. You can see we got a nice body line here. And of course, this is from where we were filling things and whatnot. So I need to get this body line back in there. So that's going to actually take some body work. So we're going to definitely be reshooting the tailgate and re-clearing the tailgate by itself. The underside is painted in base coat. So you can see it's much less shiny. It's kind of base coaty. So I haven't done under there yet. So what I'll probably end up doing is reshooting the tailgate and then clearing the under and the tailgate. We'll do that all at the same time because it should easily be done. But yeah, I think we're real close. And then once that's done, like I love how the fenders look. The fenders look really good. There's a little bit of work that needs to be done back in there. I think we can do it via clear. This is what happens when you rush things. I'm like really inspecting it now. And it's not as smooth, but I think we can get it smooth via the clear. I think we'll find out. If not, it really doesn't look bad. So I'm not upset about it, but I'd like to get it as close to perfect as possible. The only real spot we have is right here. That might actually need some touch up, I hate to say. I'll have to just decide on that. But anyways, let me know what you think. Yeah, this is the color. You can see the color, like you're getting a good show right here where the light's coming off the fender here. As to what the body color is going to look like. I think it's going to look nice. I like the color. I think it works with the truck, and I think it'll work with everything we're doing to the truck. But let me know what you think. Push my A-arm back up there. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. This is going to be a short one today because I got to get, like I said, out to Kite Day with the daughter. So yeah, let me know what you think down in the comment section. What do you think about the paint? The color, whatever. I just want to hear what you have to say. This has been quite the process to get here, so I hope you've enjoyed it. Hit the like button if you want to keep up with this. I don't know, do all those things everybody tells you to do on YouTube. I've got to go because I've got a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle kite to take to school and fly with a little girl. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.